So for this problem, to find the equation of the tangent line and the normal line for this given, so first we need to find the first derivative. So y prime equals the derivative of 3x squared, this is 6x, then the derivative of negative 2x, that's negative 2, and the derivative of a constant, so this one is 0. So the first derivative is 6x minus 2. Then from this first derivative, we can find now the slope of the tangent line because the first derivative is equal to the slope of the tangent line, and this is equal to 6x minus 2. Then from this given coordinate, so this is x and this is y. So since x is equal to positive 1, so this becomes 6 times 1 minus 2. So therefore the slope of the tangent line is equal to positive 4. Then from the slope of the tangent line, we can find now the equation of the tangent line using the point slope formula. So from this given coordinates, so this is x sub 1 and y sub 1. Then substitute now all the values. So this becomes y minus y sub 1 is negative 2, then equals the slope is 4, then times x minus x sub 1, that's positive 1. Then to simplify, so this double negative, so this becomes positive. Then distribute, so we have 4x. Then this is negative 4. Then we need to transpose this positive 2 to the other side. So this becomes 4x minus 4, then minus 2. So we have y equals 4x minus 6. So this is now the equation of the tangent line. Then to solve for the equation of the normal line, so first, we need to find the slope of the normal line, and this is equal to the negative inverse of the slope of the tangent line, or that's negative 1 over m. So since m is equal to positive 4, so this becomes negative 1 over 4. So therefore, the slope of the normal line is negative 1/4. Then from this slope, so we can find now the equation of the normal line. So the same formula. So we have y minus y sub 1 is negative 2, then equals the slope of the normal line is negative 1 over 4, then times x minus the x sub 1 is positive 1. Then for this double negative, so this becomes positive. Then to simplify, so we need to multiply the whole equation by this denominator, so times 4. Then distribute, so this becomes 4y. This is positive 8. Then distribute to this term, so we can cancel now this denominator. So this becomes negative 1 times x minus 1. Then to simplify, so this becomes negative x and negative times negative. So this becomes positive 1. Then we need to transpose this positive 8 to the other side. So we have 4y equals negative 1 plus 1. Then this becomes negative 8. Then to simplify, so 4y equals negative x, and this is negative 7. Then we need to divide every terms by this denominator. So y equals negative 1 over 4x minus 7 over 4. So this is now the equation of the normal line.